What does financial freedom mean to you? To some, it may mean retiring early. To others, it may be owning a home or embarking on a trip around the world. Founded in South Korea and headquartered in Singapore, began in 2019 with one belief: that everyone deserves the opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Today, members in over 140 countries use their platform to maximize the power of their crypto assets through secure and simple investing. Some may say that CEFI is risky and dying amid the recent collapse of Celsius, BlockFi, Vault, and etc. However, not all CEFI platforms share the same business model nor the predicaments. Different from the borrowing or lending-based model, Haru Invest utilizes user assets and hedged algorithmic trading that takes advantage of market inefficiency. Besides, their rates are too good to be true, but they are 100% committed to helping you invest the way you want with our diverse products and enjoy the highest earn rates in the market every single day on the platform itself, Haru Invest. So let's learn more about Haru Invest from the beginning to the level you yourself can take benefit from it. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is Haru Invest? Haru Invest is a digital asset platform created in 2019, with its headquarters in Singapore. The platform was launched by Block Crafters. It is a crypto investment platform that not only offers users the ability to make automated crypto investments, but also rewards them handsomely with a high savings rate. Due to its high rate of returns and the ease with which anybody can invest on the platform, it has seen impressive growth ever since it started operations. The platform has already accrued more than $2 billion in total transaction volume. Now you must be thinking, what is the use of it, and is Haru Invest legit? Haru Invest was launched as a business unit of the blockchain fund Block Crafter, which is based in South Korea and approved as a crypto asset management fund in the British Virgin Islands. Ever since its launch in 2019, there has been zero hacks or security breaches, zero delay in earning payouts, and zero delay records in any withdrawal. Lastly, the team personnel information is quite transparent, which is generously shared on their website and LinkedIn pages. Thus, you are sure they are not frauds. What can you do with Haru Invest? Crypto savings account. These crypto savings accounts are denoted as Earn Plus and Earn Explore. With these products, you can earn high interest on your locked coins. It is basically like the staking program offered in many protocols and crypto exchanges. The major difference is that you earn much more with Haru Invest. What are the differences between Haru Earn Explore and Earn Plus? When you subscribe to Earn Plus, you can get earnings with a fixed 14.8% APR. Also, the lockup period is between 15 and 365 days. On the other hand, Earn Explore targets up to 25% APR with rates fluctuating every 2 weeks. Also, the lockup period is between 1 and 3 months. Now let's see how Haru Invest works. There are 3 different investment plans on Haru Invest. They are the Haru Wallet, Earn Plus, and the Earn Explore. How does each of them work? Haru Wallet. This is a flexible earning program with no lockup period that generates up to 6.7% APR interest on savings. Its main advantage is that it allows you to withdraw whenever you want. This program supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, with a minimum deposit of 0.0001 BTC, 0.005 ETH, and 1 USDT, respectively. Earnings are paid out weekly with a maximum amount of 5 BTC possible per person. Earn Plus. This fixed savings product offers users investment options that bring up 14.8% APR. Just as in Haru Wallet, the supported coins are BTC, ETH, and USDT. You can lock up your assets between 15 and 365 days and expect compound payments daily. During the lockup period, you can withdraw your earnings but not your principal. Your principal will stay locked up until the term ends. The deposits at Earn Plus are controlled by Haru Invest's in-house trading team, which generates stable profits using various hedged strategies based on market inefficiency. Haru Earn Explore. This is also a fixed savings product but with different parameters. Here, users can partake in 3 different investment options. Earn like the best, a minimum of 3 months investment in BTC. Surf the volatility, a minimum of 1 month's investment in USDT. Beyond staking, a minimum of 3 months investment in ETH. This product offers the highest earning APR in Haru Invest with up to 25% APR for grabs. However, rewards are not paid out daily like the others. They are paid out 3 to 5 business days after the maturity date of the product. One more thing everyone asks about it is how come the earn rates of Haru are so high? So this is because the Haru platform does not engage in lending and borrowing your assets as other platforms do. Instead, they invest in low-risk trading strategies to get the best from them. Some of the strategies they use are arbitrage trading. This trading strategy exploits little differences between the prices of the same asset in different assets or exchanges. Thus, Haru Invest preys on the gap between ETH or BTC prices on different exchanges. It takes advantage of both price increase and decrease when price gap happens. Market neutral strategy. With this strategy, traders take advantage of market inefficiency between futures contracts and spots market and always take hedged position to minimize potential risks. You may have heard of the terms above in the crypto markets, or this may be your first time. The point is that these market investment strategies have low risks and are executed by professionals. Thus, you can rest assured that your capital will keep growing. This must make you give it a try using yourself and see how amazing it is. So let's see how to get started with Haru Invest. Haru Invest's registration process is very simple. The homepage of the website contains a button that says Start Earning. Once you click that, it takes you to a sign-up page where you provide your email address and a strong password to start your registration process. It is on this page that you would also choose whether you're opening a personal or corporate account. After completing that process, you will be asked to confirm your email address by clicking the link that will be sent to it. Clicking on that link automatically activates your account. After activation, the next step is to complete your KYC, Know Your Customer, registration in compliance with the anti-money laundering policy. This step is non-negotiable. All users of the platform need to complete their KYC registration. To actually begin using it, you have to complete its KYC. So the KYC process is as follows. After registration, log in with your details, go to your profile page, and click on the unverified icon. A registration page comes up. Select your government-issued ID type and your nationality. Upload the selected ID document. Then upload a selfie that clearly shows your face and your ID document. Both of them must be clearly visible for it to hold ground. Upload a clear document to verify your address. The document can be any one of the following. A government-approved license document. An example of this is the driver's license. A bank statement stating your name, address, and other useful information, utility bills for water, electricity, etc. Mails from recognized agencies that contain your address. To verify that you uploaded the documents by yourself, you would need to write down details about the documents you have uploaded. Those details must correspond with the uploaded documents to fast-track the verification process. So that is all we have for you today. Consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. And let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Peace out.